Okay, so we're going to make something I've never made before. We're going to see if it turns out. It's microwavable blueberry jam. So, I don't know, I've never done this before, so let's try it. It says 2 cups of fresh or frozen blueberries. Okay, and 1/3 of a cup of white sugar. White sugar, okay? I'm somebody that likes taking risks. Okay, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. It says lemon zest, and I don't have any, so we're skipping that. And 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla. All right. Stir that all together. Now, I have this great big measuring cup, an old Corningware measuring cup. So you have to have it in a bowl that can take the heat. And I'm going to microwave it on high, uncovered, for 3 minutes. Okay, it's been 3 minutes, and it says to stir it and then return it to the microwave for another 3 to 5 minutes. Okay, so this took longer than the instructions, but it probably took about 10 to 15 minutes in the microwave on high. And I know this process, blueberries has its natural pectin. So what I'm going to do is pour it into this jar. And I'm going to cover it with, put a lid on it and put it in the fridge and see what it's like in the morning. All right, here's our jam. Guess what? Somebody's been into this. But this jam sat overnight, and you know what? It's delicious. It's not too sweet, and it thickened really nice. So you know what? Microwavable jam. Who would have thought? They say that if you keep this covered in a jar, it will keep up to 3 weeks or so. But you know what? Around my house, it's not going to last. So there you go. Give it a try on toast or English muffins, ice cream, yogurt, the list goes on, or just out of the jar. Somebody ate something out of the jar. I wonder who that was. So have a great day. God bless.